Boys Academy, English class 8, subject English grammar. Last day we saw that body sentence and three types of sentences we had seen, four types of assertive sentence, imperative sentence, optative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Today we will see three more types of sentences: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Now let's see what is the difference between simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. Simple sentence, a sentence that has a subject and a verb, means that any sentence which has only one subject and one verb, such kind of sentences are called simple sentence. I repeat it again. A sentence that has one subject and one verb is called simple sentence. That's it. Means that any of the sentence which is given in any of the tense, any of the tense, that is called simple sentence. Another example: the baby cried for food. In this sentence, one subject, the baby, one verb, cried. So this is also simple sentence. Another, its identification mark: it consists of an independent clause. An independent clause means it is made up of a single sentence. It never contained any other sentence with it. Second one, compound sentence. What is the meaning of compound? Actually, students, compound means mixed. Compound sentence, a sentence that is made of two or more independent clauses joined with conjunctions like and, but, so, yet. It's called compound sentence. For example, he is poor, but he is honest. See that he is poor, it is a kind of simple sentence. He is honest, it is kind of a simple sentence. And both are joined with conjunction but. Means that we can say, if two simple sentences are joined with conjunction, it is called compound sentence. It is called compound sentence. For example, he is poor but he is honest. Two simple sentences joined with conjunction. But you are a student and she is a teacher. Over here, you are a student, a simple sentence. She is a teacher, a simple sentence, and both are joined with conjunction and. So that's why if two simple sentences are joined with any of the conjunctions, that is called compound sentence. Compound means a mixture of two simple sentences with conjunction is called compound sentence. Third one, complex sentence. A sentence that has one main clause and at least one dependent clause, and these are joined by conjunctions like although, unless, when, since. Those sentences containing either or, neither, nor, not only, but also, whether or. Such kinds of sentences are called complex sentence. Since she is lazy, she cannot pass. See that in this sentence, two sentences are given. She is lazy, she cannot pass. If we erase one sentence and try to find the answer, then we can't get its correct answer, that what message it is giving. To get the complete message, it's important for us that we should have both of the sentences. If I say she is lazy, since she is lazy, Since she is lazy, then she cannot pass. She cannot pass. Why cannot pass? Since she is lazy. Means that the meaning of one sentence is depend on another and one sentence is depend on another. Such kind of sentences are called complex sentence. These were the kinds of sentences: simple, complex, and compound sentence. Thank you. Welcome back to Blooming Grove Secondary English class. How to sentence? Sentences are of two types: affirmative positive, affirmative negative. What is the difference between it? Any of sentence that does not give any kind of negative meaning, that is called affirmative positive. For example, he is playing in the garden means that he is playing. We usually go there. It's obvious that we go there. They are waiting for you. These are called affirmative positive sentence. Another, if I say he is not playing in the garden, then such kind of sentences are called affirmative negative sentence. Affirmative negative, only if we talk about negative, any sentence that containing not, no, never, no one, nobody, nothing, etc. Such kind of sentences are called negative sentence. The another way to change a positive sentence into negative is, we generally see that most of the sentences are containing helping verb like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, anything. If we put after it not or never, then this sentence turned into negative sentence. For example, we do not go there. See that in this sentence, not is given over here. So this sentence is changed into negative. If I say, we have seen the red fort, it means we have seen the red fort, and the given sentence is a positive sentence. If I want to change this sentence into negative, then what I have to do? I have to write not after the helping verb. Student, one thing remember always, that not or never is always used just before main verb and after helping verb. I repeat it, not and never is always used just before main verb. Just before main verb. If the given sentence is interrogative, then in that condition, not or never will be used just before main verb. For example, if I change this sentence into interrogative negative, then our sentence will be, have you not seen the red fort? In this sentence, not is just before main verb. So, it's remember that to change any of the sentence into negative, not or never means that negative word will be used just before main verb. Okay, thank you.